On today's transcribed video recipe adventure, we're gonna take a look at a little recipe I kind of sort of crafted the other day and tried it. Turned out well. I've always wanted to try this, a cream cheese crab cake. Yes sirree, we're gonna take cream cheese and substitute that for the mayonnaise or sour cream that some people use. Hey, welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host David Murray. Hey, we've got it all right here. So let's go ahead and get started on our cream cheese crab cakes right now. Let's go ahead and get started on our cream cheese crab cakes. We got all our ingredients right here. I think we'll find out as we get into it. Well, we got about 6 ounces of room temperature soft cream cheese. We got a couple of tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of melted cool butter. We got a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, about 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme leaves. We've got a medium onion. We've got 3 celery sticks, use 2 to 3 of them. They both have been grated. We got a little salt, a little pepper we're going to use for taste and everything else. And right here we got a lemon that we're going to use half. We're going to juice it and we're going to zest it. We've got 20 club crackers instead of breadcrumbs. We're going to crunch up these nice little buttery sweet crackers and use those to bring everything together. And then we've got a pound of lump crab meat. So why not go ahead and get rolling? So we're going to take our cream cheese, boom, just like that, nice and soft. And we're going to come in with our butter, just like so. Then we're going to come in with our sour cream. Yeah, well, okay, we're going to have to do this, which is no problem. Voila, okay. And now I tell you what, let's go ahead and get this kind of sort of mixed up together so it doesn't slosh around with the butter and all of that. So we're going to come in just like so. We'll move Mr. Crab back over here so we can see. And then, you know what, we're going to move a few more things out of the way. We'll take our crackers up here, here, and here. And I think we can all see everything now. Okay, here we go. So again, we're going to come in and we're just going to combine these 3 ingredients and get a nice homogeneous mixture, creamy mixture that is. All right, I tell you what, that's looking pretty daggone good. Now we're going to come in, let's see, we're going to drop in our cayenne pepper. Then we're going to take our thyme leaves and we're going to give them a nice little squeeze between our fingers. Oh yeah, you can smell that thyme. Heck yeah. Now we're going to combine those together. Or, you know, if you want, you can dump all of these, let's see, everything but the crab meat and the crackers, and you can combine them all together and mix them up if you want to. No big deal. I'm just trying to do things so I don't make too much of a mess. So here we go. Now we've got that. Heck yeah, that's all coming together lovely. Just like so. Oh heck yeah, look at that, nice and creamy, just the way we need it. Now I tell you what, we're going to come in with a little bit of salt, not a lot, just like that. I don't know, like probably 1 to 2 teaspoons, I don't know. And we'll probably do the same thing with our pepper, just like that. And we'll give that a little bit of a mix and combine just like so. Now I'm going to come in with our onion and our celery, drop that in there. Voila, this, try to keep things somewhat neat. And again, all we're going to do is come in here and combine everything together. Oh man, I tell you what, that looking good. It does look a little thin. I think some of the juices from the celery and the onion kind of sort of combined in there to loosen it. But hey, we can fix that. I said we got 20 of our club crackers. We may need to add a few more of those to tighten everything up, but tell you what, we'll cross that bridge if we need to get there. Now I'm going to come in and we're going to add the zest of half of our lemon here, not lime, and then we will add some more liquid to it, which is going to be our citrus, which is our lemon juice. Okay, there you go. There it is. Just like that. Now, we're going to come in with a knife that I knew I was missing something, another utensil, and we're going to juice our lemon. Try not to make too much noise, and then voila! Wow, got everything everywhere. No biggie. So again, I come back in here, combine all of this together. Oh man, I tell you what, it's not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. We might be able to get away with this, but again, we'll make those determinations here in a minute. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see. We're gonna come in now with our crab meat. Oh man, look at those nice chunks of crab. We're gonna add that in just like that. Put that there, and up in the corner you go. And now we're gonna fold this in together just like that and get it all combined in there. Oh man, check those things out. They are gonna be, these crab cakes are gonna be awesome, I promise. Yes, sirree. Oh man, check that out right there. That thing is loaded with crab. And I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna put this guy right here for a second. Clean up just a tad, little housekeeping. Now I'm gonna come in here with our club crackers and a rolling pin and a Ziploc bag, and we're gonna make ourselves some sweet, buttery cracker crumbs, I guess we'll call it, not breadcrumbs. So anyway, now I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna try to squeeze that down as much air out as there is possible, and then whoop, we're gonna come in and begin busting them things up just like so. And now we're just gonna come in and roll our rolling pin back and forth and get ourselves a nice little batch of cracker crumbs. Oh man, I tell you what, I think we, how's that look? Heck yeah, I think we done. I think we are done. Now, let's leave you right where I got you from. Now we're gonna come in and we're going to add our crumbs to our crab mixture to bring everything together and allow it to tighten itself up so we can make some nice little crab cakes. Heck yeah. So let's come in here and just add these together just like so. Oh yeah, I think it's coming together just fine. Yes, sirree. Oh man, I tell you what, that thing tightened up pretty daggone good. I think we might be in good shape with the 20 crackers we have, but we'll find out in a few minutes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes or so everything can kind of sort of come together, and we'll get those breadcrumbs, cracker crumbs kind of sort of nice and moist and tight. So I tell you what, while we're doing that, don't forget to preheat your oven at 350 degrees, because that's where we're going to finish our crab cakes. I tell y'all what I did while we were at break. I came in and I did add a little bit of these right here, panko breadcrumbs, about 4 tablespoons, which is close to a quarter cup, right right kind of around there. But I tell you that they have a lot of area to themselves, the crumbs themselves, and they kind of sort of bring everything together. So I tell you what, I think it is time for us to get our hands somewhat messy. Got a little plate here. We're going to make our patties, our cakes, not our patties, and transfer them here, and everything's going to get nice and gooey right here. Yep, I have started to heat up my pan. I'm on about a medium low, I guess. We're going to bring that up, kind of sort of get everything heated. So here we go. We're going to make a mess. Anyway, just like that. Oh yeah, so come in here. Oh, check that thing out. Heck yeah, I tell you what. That's a pretty good one right there. You get 2 of those on a dinner plate, man, that'll make a heck of a meal. So we'll come back in, kind of sort of grab the same everything just like this, and just kind of sort of gingerly or carefully put these together just like that. Heck yeah. And boom, through the magic of Premiere Pro and editing, we now have 4 quarter-pound crab cakes, roughly, clean hands, almost. Now we have a clean workspace, and our pan is nice and preheated and ready to go. Now this is an oven-safe pan, because we're going to put this thing in the oven to finish everything off. So I'm going to come in and just add a little bit of oil. I'm using some olive oil today. Yeah, well, man, heck yeah, we got a little bit of that smoke heat going, so that's good to go, just like so. Now we're going to come in, get our hands dirty again, why not? And we're going to grab our cakes and in and away, like so. Try not to crowd them, just like that. This guy here, and finally, this guy right here. And as I said, don't crowd them, and look what I did. I crowded them up. So, but anyway, I tell you what, we're going to go up to about medium high right there. And we're going to cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes on this side until the bottom gets nice and golden brown. Oh man, I tell you what, they smell delicious. Heck yeah. Now we gotta flip our cakes, and these are delicate little beauties right here. We got to be careful with. So I'm going to come in and carefully do this. Whoop! Oh no, we got a piece that got away from us, and we're going to flip it over. Heck yeah! A little bit of caramelization on the underside of that. Heck yeah! They're not holding together as well as I thought they would, but hey, don't you worry about it. They're going to be delicious. Come in here, we can do the exact same thing with this one. I'm going to rotate this one this way, just like that. Whoop! Glad I didn't put him up. And now, do the same thing. Voila. Now, we're going to cook these for another couple of minutes. I'm going to kind of sort of help them get back together. No problem. And then, I tell you what, we got about 4 to 6 minutes on this side, and then we're going to slip them in the oven and finish them off, and they're all going to come together somewhat nicely. Oh man, I tell you what, they're tightening up perfectly, and I think it is time, just about time for us to put these in the oven. Oh man, I tell you what, the smells are unbelievable. Hey, if y'all do like what you see, what's going on, maybe you want to hang out more with us, hey, click that like button, give the video a nice like, and hey, why not go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because we'd love to have you around. So I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and move these into the oven, just like so. Wow, that's warm. Turn this off, and we're going to have about 8 to 10 minutes. It's be time to plate up our cream cheese crab cakes. Oh man, I tell you what, it looks like we are done and ready to plate. So let's go ahead and get everything squared away. Heck yeah, things are. Uh-oh. Oh wow, yum. Yum, I can tell you that right now. Wow, that is delicious. So, tell you what, let's go ahead and begin plating. We can get a little fancy here. So, hey, don't forget about this. That thing is hot, so be careful with that. Make sure you've got a towel on your handle, because it will definitely light you up. So I'm going to come in. Let's see here. How are we going to do this? And, okay, let's see. We're going to do, whoop, just like that. Oh, man. Check that out. Nice caramelization on the bottom of our crab cake. Which one are we going to get here? I guess we'll grab, what are we going to do here? I don't know. Let's see. How about this one right here? Get my big old head out the way. Let's see. Trying to be a little bit of a pain in the you-know-what. Come over here and flip. Voila. Almost looks like, oh, you know what? Hold on. Hold on. Oh, man. Y'all are going over here I'll leave you right there. I'm gonna get a hold of you in a minute. Man, nice and creamy. That citrus is throughout. You get oh, I'm gonna eat this soup. You're gonna get the celery, the onions. Oh man, unbelievable flavor. Just like that. I tell you what, we've got ourselves a little bit of decoration over here. Got some nice thyme leaves. I don't know what we're gonna do really. Grab these guys right here. Little thyme sprigs, not thyme leaves. And let's see here. Why don't we come in and, I don't know, we'll add a couple of lemon wedges like so here. A couple of lemon wedges like that. I don't know. Hey, no, and who knows? But there you go. How about that right there? Cream cheese crab cakes. I tell you what, those are delicious. Just from the sampling right there, can't wait to get into this thing, man. Those are looking great. Oh man, what a delicious little batch of yummies right there. Fairly simple recipe to pull together. Now, I will say, I think we need to add 2 more tablespoons of our panko breadcrumbs, so kind of help us out when we're searing and flipping the cakes in our pan and finishing everything off. So I will update the recipe for that. And speaking of the recipe, check out the description down below. Oh, and right here, how about sheep's head and scallop cake? Something a little different than the crab. And hey, right there, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. It all does help. And until next time, God bless, and we'll see y'all soon.